Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure your data plan allows tethering, then open Settings and go to Hotspot or Tethering. Once there, set a clear SSID and a strong password so others cannot join, and choose 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz if you need extra speed. Now enable the hotspot so the phone broadcasts. This immediately creates a Wi-Fi network your computer can see. Keep an eye on data usage, because tethering consumes your plan quickly. On your computer, click the Wi-Fi icon and pick the phone's SSID, then type the hotspot password, Done. If you prefer the most stable link, plug the phone into USB and enable USB tethering on the phone. The computer will use it like an Ethernet connection. For laptops, set that connection to metered on Windows to avoid big automatic updates. On Mac, prioritize the connection under Network Preferences. Once connected, check the network indicator and open a web page to confirm routing through the phone. Finish by testing the link, load a web page or run a quick speed test to confirm usable bandwidth. Make sure to disable the hotspot when you're finished to save battery and data. If you must keep it on, connect the phone to a charger. If connectivity fails, first toggle the hotspot off and on, restart the phone, and retry. Make sure mobile data is working separately and check APN or carrier restrictions. If problems persist, update network drivers or try USB tethering as a workaround.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.